Okay, just gonna take a minute and kind of walk through our syllabus for this year. We are in advanced calculus and linear algebra. Sometimes advanced calculus is referred to as multivariate calculus, just so you know that there's no difference between these two things. This gives you an idea of the material that we'll be covering in the course overview here. It might be a good idea to just sit through and read that. Down below here, you see that we meet during D block. Our We're jumping around a little bit there. We meet during D block. That's me. My free periods are B and E. I will be on Zoom every day during E block, even during the asynchronous time. So just jump on that link and you can find me there. When we're back in school, I will also be in E block, available via Zoom. If you are working remotely or whatever, you have an opportunity to catch me there. And of course, by appointment anytime, just drop in, let me know, and we'll go from there. These are the objectives of the course. Basically, this is like having two 200 level college topics in one course. We're taking on multivariate calculus, which is like the first half of the year, and linear algebra, which is the second. They're related, but they're different fields of mathematics, and we'll get into that. Things that you're going to need is pencil, TI-84 graphing calculator, a laptop computer, and you should be expected to be able to work with MATLAB from that computer. So this is why we did the install at the end of last year. If we need to do some work about getting a MATLAB install on your computer, let me know and we'll see what we can do. Okay? Okay, so the course essentially has 8 major units. 4 of them are in the multivariate calculus portion, or advanced calculus portion of it. The other 4 are in the linear algebra portion of it. And then if we get to all of that, we'll do some additional topics at the end to kind of get you a little bit further. This is the best guess that I have as far as our calendar for the year. If I make any amendments to this, I will let you know in class, and I will update the syllabus on the Schoology page. So that's there for you. Final grade here is calculated. 2 semester grades are put together. 20% of each semester is the exam, but because this is an all senior class, the second semester will not have an exam. So it's going to be 90-10 instead of 80-20, right? Or sorry, the first one is 80-20. The whole one, 100% of the second semester comes from the course grade. In both semesters, the course grade is 90% of your summative assessment and 10% of your formatives. Okay. I don't give extra credit. There is a retake policy here, so this is not an AP course. It's actually a math elective, so you are allowed to retake any 2 summative assessments during the school year. Retakes have to be done within a cycle of the day in which the assessment is returned. You need to notify your intention to retest via email within a day after the assessment is returned. The retest score will be averaged with the score of the earlier test. So it doesn't replace, it averages. There's also going to be comments on your report card about things like perseverance, critical thinking, working creatively, collaboratively, being curious. And you have the sliders on your report card for work habits, engagement, attention to detail, organization, self-advocacy, and timely completion of work. The attendance policy here is straight up from the student handbook. If you're going to miss, let me know ahead of time, because I know that this is like senior college craziness. So just please let me know ahead of time, and we'll make some sort of arrangements. As Academic honesty, as always, no cheating. The best way to think about this is if you are collaborating with somebody, you should be able to do your work together on a single sheet of paper, throw that piece of paper away, and then both of you rework out the problem independently. And that should look like collaboration as opposed to cheating, which is where both of you are handing in an exact copy of the same piece of work. So that's it. There is your what do you call it? Your overview of the syllabus. And if you have any questions on that, let me know. It will be housed in the Schoology page, and I will make sure that you know of any updates, and we'll make sure that those updates get marked in the syllabus. All right. Thank you.